Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video, I would like to implement a new Komorebi C command. In particular, a command that will help me to get some critical information from people who are experiencing issues, basically with just a single command, like a health check command. So we can all right, so right under state, actually above state, we can have this health. Well, it's not a health check, just a check command. Output various important Komorebi related environment values. Yeah, that's good. So let's go all the way down to the bottom of this enum. Implementation switch case thingy. And we're going to add this here, this new subcommand, which is check. And we're going to do some stuff. So what are the important things? If we head back over to Komorebi, let's take a look at what happens when we start up. God, where's the main? Here is the main. Okay. So when we start up, we do a bunch of Windows API stuff. Then we listen for commands. This is the main thing that I've been noticing, that some people are starting Komorebi C and their configuration file is not where it should be according to their environment. So the listening to commands does not really work. So yeah, they're usually starting with the await configuration flag and they're not receiving the final complete configuration command. So we want to see where or if a configuration file is found. So actually, I think we can probably just copy a whole bunch of this stuff and then get rid of what we don't need. Let's see. I'll install this later. If config.powershell exists, okay, then we want to output that this file was found at X location. Here, komorebi.ahk was found at X location. Auto hotkey was found at X location. We can fill those in early, and those we can fill those in a little later. Why are you red? Okay, no, that's good. Actually, I don't think we care so much about this one. Oof, it is hot today here in Seattle, but I am glad that the sun is back. It has been a long winter. Homedir. What is this? So this is the value of where the configuration home is. And we want to output that for the user because, you know, they might have thought that they have set it to somewhere else, but, you know, maybe it didn't get loaded into the environment of the shell. So that is also useful to put out to the console. So we'll do some print lines. Looking for patient files in. home. That should be okay because that no. Does that implement display? No, it does not. Mm, mm, is there a good? I mean, okay. Let home lossy string. Lossy string. Okay. Um. So we can say if we. Oh yeah. So if we found this, we can output that. Found Komorebi.ps1. Found Komorebi.ahk. Yeah, I think that is the main stuff. I mean, we can add to this command as time goes on, right? If there are more and more things that are tripping people up with regards to the environment. Just looking, just looking. And I guess it would be nice to see if the command to complete configuration when awaiting configuration has been called. I'm not sure that there's a way to expose that though, because this is in the Komorebi crate, and this is in the Komorebi C crate. I wonder if that is exposed in the state. Let me see. Window manager. Mm, mm, maybe we can add this. Awaiting configuration. This can be a bool because we're either awaiting or we're not. Mm, initial configuration loaded. And I think that is okay to be seen. Mm, I wonder if I can. So, how am I getting the state? All right, maybe we don't do that just yet. We can come back to that. But we can cargo run bin Komorebi C check. Hey, perfect. That looks right. Um, is it not? Oh, I'm on the wrong file. Subcommand check. I think we can have another static here. Has custom config home. This can be a bool. And we can set it to false to begin with. Can I do static mute ref? I'm not sure. We're going to find out. No, I can't. So this needs to be an atomic bool. Atomic bool init. How do we initialize? Is it that? I'm sure I've used it here. Atomic bool new. So then we can give the feedback to the user that this is a custom directory that they have set. Store true ordering. Okay. So we can do if ordering. So if we have determined that the user has set a custom configuration home, we'll print out another message. Detected that the user has set Komorebi config home detected. Looking for configuration files in that place. Cool. This file will be by Komorebi. This file will be auto-loaded by Komorebi. Else, this is the important one, no Komorebi configuration found and lossy string. If running Komorebi C start await configuration, you will manually have to pass the call the following command. Complete configuration. Why don't we clone this? Can we clone this? Maybe we just clone this one. I'm not super precious about the use of clone, especially for one-shot CLI commands. Yeah, maybe we should give feedback as well that no custom, the no custom configuration directory was detected. No defaulting to yeah, we got bigger problems if we can't find the home directory. What you talking about? You can't. All right, fine. So if I unset, I'm not sure this works on PowerShell. Unset does not work. I don't know what the equivalent is. Maybe if I set it to nothing. Is that equivalent? We'll find out. Okay, no Komorebi config home detected. Defaulting to. Okay, looking for configuration files in. Okay. And then we'll put this in quotes just to make it a bit more clear. Maybe we can add some new lines to make this a bit nicer. So I'll add a new line here. Let's add new lines everywhere. You get a new line. You get a new line. Everybody gets a new line. If there's a better way to do this, please let me know, because I've been doing this forever. Yeah, I might as well add it here for consistency. To begin tiling. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I think this is going to save me a lot of trouble. Oh, one more thing I should add to this is if you're using this, we also want to check for the WHKD file. So config WHKD, then we want to push .config. Oof, no, config WHKD, we want to push config, and then we want to push finally WHKDRC. If config WHKD exists, else. KDRC. WHKDRC found. You may not be able to control Komorebi with your keyboard. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I need to make sure I actually have my path set. Huh? That's weird. Because it is there. Am I doing this wrong? How about I just debug this real quick? Do you have debug implemented? Ooh, no. Something is up there. Okay, so this one should actually be the home dir. Home dir expect could not find home dir. Sweet. Be loaded from here when WHKG is started. Let's see. I think this is what we would like. Sweet. And then just for good measure, maybe we can put this on the same line. Complete configuration, because I think most terminals will wrap it anyway. No, I don't want you to be here. I want you to be here. And let's be consistent with our quoting. Okay, sweet. I like that. Let's just format and run Clippy. And I think we are ready to commit. I should probably. I think I'll add this to the bug template as well. Is that stored in here? Bug report, yes. Operating system. BC check output. Okay, that's fine. Write the output of. Yeah. Come on. BC check. Okay. I'll give a for example here as well. Yeah, that should make things a little bit easier in the future. So let's go ahead and commit this. Feet. Uh, what should I class this under? I'll put it under CLI. Add check command for useful info. This commit adds a new Komorebi command check to output useful information that will aid in understanding unexpected behavior reported by users. I don't have an issue for this. Tidy that up. And we push. And yeah, that is going to be it for this little session. I was noticing that I was asking the same thing a whole bunch of times to people who are having issues on the Discord. I had this idea. I came and I implemented it with you all here on YouTube. I hope you had fun watching along. I hope you learned something. Hopefully, if you have an idea for another interesting CLI command that doesn't necessarily need to touch the window manager, this will help you feel a bit more confident to go about implementing it yourselves. And of course, I'll be very happy to help out anybody who is interested. And yeah, I think that will be it for this video. Remember that if you enjoy using the software, if you find the software to be valuable, useful, please considering sponsoring the project on GitHub. Sponsors, even $1 a month, it makes a big difference to me. And if you use this software at work, if you're working in a Windows-based company, you're using this software, a bunch of your fellow engineers are using this software, reach out to your engineering manager, your VP of engineering, your CTO, and suggest this as a project that the company could sponsor. Well, that is it for this video. This is the end of the video. It's a lovely day here in Seattle. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are. Take care.